Red Fort.
All the children at Bob's school are happy today. They are going to the Red Fort. They hopped on the bus and took their seats. The teacher reminded everyone not to stick their hands out of the window. She also reminded them not to talk to strangers. They all sang songs and had fun on their way to the fort. Finally, they reached the Red Fort. The children formed a queue and stood next to their partners. Wow! This fort is so big and red. That's why it's called the Red Fort. Is this the Indian flag? Yes, this is our flag. We hoist the Indian flag at the Red Fort on Independence Day. Can you name the colors on our flag?
Saffron, white, blue and green.